Most people believe they need to learn everything before they can start making games. C++, blueprints, animation, AI, multiplayer, GAS. But if you got thrown into a world full of dinosaurs right now, learning everything would be the last thing on your mind.
Seriously? You couldn't have told me that sooner?
Every day, thousands of people decide they want to start making games. And most of them get stuck before they ever finish their first one. So in this video, I'll show you 3 simple steps that can help you start making games, even if you know absolutely nothing right now. And while we're at it, let's try to save this guy. By the way, this is Manny, the main character of our game. I bet a lot of you have tried turning him into a warrior, an archer, or a mage. But right now, he's about to become a dinosaur's lunch.
If this is supposed to be a tutorial, could we maybe learn a little faster?
When people open Unreal for the first time, they're hit with hundreds of tabs. Tutorials, courses, forums, Discord servers, and it feels like they need to understand all of it before they can start.
Okay, I think I'm solving the wrong problem.
Now imagine this isn't a game. What would you do if you were in Manny's position? Would you invent electricity? Would you build a city? Would you create an entire civilization? Or would you worry about making it through the next 5 minutes? Most beginners try to build their dream game, when what they actually need first is a working prototype. Not perfect, working. Your first goal isn't mastery, it's getting a result as quickly as possible.
Like what?
For example, teaching you how to fight dinosaurs.
Oh, sure. I'll just stand here while you learn game development. Although, I am kinda curious to see the final result.
Step 2, and this is where most beginners get stuck. Before they build anything, they start watching hundreds of tutorials, trying to understand everything at once. But there's one thing you need to remember. Your job right now is not to build the perfect combat system. It's not to design some future-proof architecture. It's not to make it scalable. It's not to prepare it for multiplayer. And it's definitely not to add 50 different weapons. Your job is to find the fastest possible solution and test it. Yeah, the code might be terrible. Yeah, the animations might look awful. Yeah, there's probably no architecture at all. And yes, expanding a system like this later will hurt. But you've already done something, which puts you ahead of most people. Pick any engine, Unreal, Unity, Godot, doesn't matter. The fundamentals are the same. Start building.
Remember me? I'm still dealing with the dinosaur.
Right, good point. Let's think about it. What do you actually need to make a spear work? You give the player a spear. When they press a button, it attacks. When the spear hits an enemy, it deals damage. In Unreal Engine, it could be as simple as this. Attach a spear to the character's hand. Add a collision capsule. When it overlaps an enemy, call Take Damage. Then bind your attack input action and play an attack animation. That's it. Does it look good? Not really. Does it work? Absolutely.
Take that, dinosaur!
Easy there. That tickles.
Yeah, we should probably increase the damage.
Wait! Maybe we can talk this out?
And the final step. The most underrated one. Have fun. Most people get into game development because they love games. They love creating worlds, coming up with mechanics, experimenting. But somewhere along the way, something changes. They start comparing themselves to other developers. They worry about architecture, about writing perfect code, about everything they still don't know. And before they realize it, the hobby they loved becomes an endless checklist of things they need to learn. If you don't enjoy the process of making games, you probably won't stick with it long enough to become great. So every once in a while, give yourself permission to do something weird. Experiment, break things, add mechanics just because they make you smile. Not every idea has to be useful. Sometimes, it just has to be fun. Now, let's finally help Manny deal with that dinosaur. I've been working with Unreal Engine for over 5 years now. I've had the chance to work on projects of all kinds, big and small. But I started exactly where you are, so don't be afraid to start. Just keep building. If you want to start making games, remember these 3 things. Keep it simple. Build instead of preparing. Have fun. Don't try to learn everything. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't start with your dream game. Just build something. A button, a door, or the worst spear in the history of video games. As long as it works, you're making progress. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. I'll be sharing everything I've learned about making games with Unreal Engine.